And here we have a pure white rose by Keihan Engei from 1995. It's called SHIRAKAWA, White River, after the river that goes through Kyoto, and has a very nice shape and also delivers so many flowers. Yes, and look how big they are. Makes you even want to help it open. So Keihan Engei is one of the main rose breeders in Japan. It doesn't have strong scent, or maybe it's the hour, but look how gorgeous, rich. And it gets this kanban shape when it opens more. And see how many flowers they have, so full and heavy. Shirakawa by Keihan Engei.